Welcome to my channel. Today we have to discuss next chapter curve fitting. Let x1, y1, x2, y2, etc. xn, yn be a set of n pairs of values. By curve fitting, we mean that a functional relationship between the values x and y are obtained in the form y is equal to f of x. Clearly, x is an independent variable and y is a dependent variable. The method generally employed for curve fitting is known as the method of least squares. The basic idea of this method were created by A.M. Legendre and C.F. Gauss. Method of least squares. This is a method of finding the unknown coefficient in a curve of best fit. It states that a best fitted curve is obtained by minimizing the sum of squares of the error between the observed values and the corresponding estimated values. We want to fit a kth degree curve given by y is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2 x square plus etc. plus ak x raised to k. Now we take ye which is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a1x square a1x1 square plus etc. plus a1xi raised to k be the estimated value of y. Then x takes the values xi and also take yi as the observed value of y and e as the error between yi and ye. That is, therefore ei is equal to yi minus ye, which is equal to substituting the above ye here. Ei is equal to yi minus a0 minus a1 xi minus a2 xi square minus ak xi raised to k. To make the sum of squares minimum, therefore s is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n yi minus ye whole raised to 2. To minimizing s, we use partial differentiation, that is dou s by dou a0 is equal to 0, dou s by dou a1 is equal to 0, etc. Dou s by dou ak is equal to 0, which gives k plus 1 equation called normal equation, and solving these equations we get the values of a0, a1, etc. Solving these equations we get the value of a0, a1, etc. ak, and substituting these values in equation 1 we get the graph of best fitting of some curves. First one, fitting of straight line. We consider the straight line y is equal to a plus bx as the line of the best fit passing through n given points x1, x2, etc. x1, y1, x2, y2, etc. xn, yn, where a and b are constants. Then take y is equal to a plus b xi as the estimated values of y and let yi as the observed value. Then s is equal to summation yi minus ye whole square, which is equal to summation yi minus ye is a plus bxi, that is summation yi minus a minus bxi whole square. To minimize s, we apply partial differentiation, that is dou s by dou y is equal to 0 implies 2 into summation yi minus a minus bxi into minus 1, differentiating with respect to a, which is equal to 0. That is summation yi is equal to n a plus b into summation xi, taking summation on both sides. We get equation number 2. Dou s by dou b is equal to 0. Differentiating with respect to b, we get 2 into summation yi minus a minus b into xi, which is equal to 0. That is taking summation yi into xi is equal to a into summation xi plus b into summation xi square. That is equation number 3. Then equation 2 and 3 are called the normal equations, and solving these two we get values of a and b. By substituting these values of a and b in equation 1, we get the equation of line of best fit. Problem. First one, fit a straight line to the following data: x values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then y 14, 13, 9, 5, 2. Estimate the value of y when x equal to 3.5. Solution. Here n is equal to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Form the following table. Given xi values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. yi 14, 15, 14, 13, 9, 5, 2. Then xi square 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Then xi into yi is equal to 1 into 14, 14, 26, 27, 20, 10. Then find summation of each one. Summation xi is equal to 15. Summation yi is equal to 43. Summation xi square is equal to 55. Summation xi yi is equal to 97. We have the normal equations that determine the line of best fit are summation yi is equal to na plus b into summation xi. Substituting this summation yi and summation xi, we get 43 is equal to 5a plus 15b. Then second equation, summation xi yi is equal to a into summation xi plus b into summation xi square. Then substituting summation xi yi is equal to 97, summation xi 15 and summation xi square 55. We get 97 is equal to 15a plus 55b. We get two equation. So 5a plus 15b is equal to 43 and 15a plus 55b is equal to 97. Equation 1 into 3 gives 15a plus 45b is equal to 129. Then 15a plus 55b is equal to 97. Solving this two equation, we get subtracting equation. Equation 1 minus 2 gives minus 10b is equal to 32. B is equal to minus 3.2. Then substituting these values in equation 1. 5a plus 15 into minus 3.2 is equal to 43 is equal to 5a plus 43 plus 48 is equal, which implies 5a is equal to 91. Then a is equal to 91 by 5 is equal to 18.2. Therefore a is equal to 18.2 and b is equal to minus 3.2. We get two unknowns a and b. Substituting these values in equation, y is equal to a plus b, x, the equation of straight line. Therefore y is equal to 18.2 plus minus 3.2 into x. When question is estimate the value of y when x is equal to 3.5. Therefore when x is equal to 3.5, y is equal to 18.2 plus minus 3.2 into 3.5. That is y is equal to 18.2 minus 11.20. Therefore y is equal to 7. 7 is the answer.